Hello, everyone. I'm Dr. Wang. Here is the question. If A, B, C, D are non-negative integers, this means non-negative, this means integer. AC plus BD plus AD plus BC equals 97. What is the sum of A plus B plus C plus D? Here is the basic idea. 97 is a prime number. Therefore, we want to factor the left-hand side. How to factor the left-hand side? We group the left-hand side into two parts. We can factor A out from the first part and factor B out from the second part. Then we have A times C plus D plus B times D plus C. This part is C plus D, C plus D. Therefore, we can factor C plus D out. Then we have A plus B times C plus D equals 97. 97 is a prime number, only has two factors, 1 and 97. What does this mean? This means the first factor is 1, the second factor is 97, or swap. A plus B equals 97. C plus D equals 1. What is the question? Question is to find the sum. A plus B plus C plus D. From this result, or this result, we can see this. If we add the two equations together, A plus B plus C plus D is the left-hand side. The right-hand side is 1 plus 97. Similarly here, A plus B plus C plus D, the right-hand side is 97 plus 1, which is 98. Therefore, A plus B plus C plus D equals 1 plus 97, which is 98. That's all. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.